Good morning, guys. It's Emmanuel once again, and we are here for Hamster Cipher Morse Code. Okay, so this is for 10th of August 2024. So, what is the Morse code for today? The Morse code for today is public. 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 Okay, so that is what we are going to be spelling. And when we are done with that, we will rush and then play the mini key game. So let's get on with it. How do we spell public? As usual, we consult our Morse code chart board, and we are starting with letter P. So this is how you spell P: dot dash dash dot. So let's get on with it. Dot dash dash dot. Okay, dot dash dash dot. Okay, letter P has been activated. We move on to the next letter, public, PU. So our next letter is U. And how do you spell U? Dot dot dash. Dot dot dash. Okay, so let's get on with that. Dot dot dash. Dot dot dash. Okay, so the next letter is letter B. Letter B. So how do we spell B? This is B dash triple dot dash dot 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 dash dot dot dot. Okay, so let's do that. Dash dot dot dot, and that is letter B. So the next letter is letter L. Letter L. Letter L. And how do you spell letter L? This is letter L. We spell it dot dash dot dot. Dot dash dot dot. Dot dash dot dot. Okay, so let's do that. Dot dash dot dot. And that is letter L. So the second to the last is letter I. How do we spell letter I? Letter I is very easy. Two dots. Dot dots. Just two dots. So let's do that. Dot dot. And letter I has been activated. Please, if you're just joining this YouTube channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Okay, it won't cost you anything, just that once I do a video, you will get the notification, and we do correct videos here. Okay, so letter C is our last letter. Letter C is our last letter. And how do we spell letter C? Dash dot dash dot. Okay, dash dot dash dot. Dash dot dash dot. And that is letter C. And there we are taking our prize here. So let's take the prize. And that is that. Okay, so the next on the list is the key game. So I will pause this video and I will refresh my memory, then I will come and play it. Okay, I'm back. So let's get on with the key game. Okay, and then let's play. Let's play. Okay, so I go like this, go like this, go like this, go like this, go like this. Okay, I made a mistake. So I go like this, then I go like this, like this, and that is that, guys. So I have done that. That is that, okay? I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Stay safe and remember to leave a thumbs up for us in this video. See ya on the next one. Bye.